Welcome back guys, this is Shrikant. In this video, we'll talk about RID lookup and how to fix it. Okay, so RID lookup means basically row level identifier lookup actually, which comes when it's a heap table. Okay, now we basically have the table called as a demo and which don't have any cluster index. So how would I see that? So here you can see index one, right? So this is just a non-cluster. If table is with a cluster index, that is called as a non-heap table or a normal cluster table, right? Now we have this table. Here we only have the one index which is basically non-clustered. So how we can confirm it? Just refresh this one. So you can see here the one index is there, which is basically ix demo underscore value, which is basically a non-clustered. Correct. Now just simply select this query and make actual execution plan on and just execute it. Just go to the execution plan here. Oh, it is using index C. Oh, that's fine, but it is using also RID lookup, right? So we want to fix it. How do we fix it? This mostly happen because when we have the index but all the column has not been used, that time this will occur. Okay, you can just right click here and just go to the properties for more clarity. If you just try to see the properties here, see here we basically have the seek predicate. Okay, that's fine. Then in the output list, just try to understand all the values actually. So in the output list is just demo table. Okay, this is the object, right? So just go to the this one object list. Here we will see id, the extra column which is coming. Okay, so that's the reason basically on the ID column the RID lookup is happening. So what is happening, now we created a non-clustered index on the value column. So it has all the index data for that column, but it doesn't have ready-made data for ID column. So how to fix it? So what you need to do, you just need to drop this non-clustered index and you need to create a index in such a way where you want to add the column the on which the lookup is coming. So we just need to drop this column. So just drop index on which table? This table, demo. Just drop it. Then create another same index with just adding a new one more column. Now previously index non-cluster index was present on the value column, but the lookup was coming on ID column. So what actually we are going to do? We are just adding that column. And let's execute this query once again and see what will we see in the execution plan. So in the execution plan we would see that index seek has been happened, that the RID lookup has been gone. Correct. This is how we need to fix it, fix the RID lookup. And when we know only these two columns are there with this query. Correct. So when we use all the column which being used in the query has been used in the index, that kind of index is called as a covering index. So now in this case two columns are there in the output. All those two column we created index, right? This is the index we created on those two columns. This is called as a covering index also. We'll talk about that. But just demos for this demonstration, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to again dropping this index, again just creating a index on that same column. Now see now if we just go here and just run the query, you would see the lookup has been appeared here, right? Now if I simply just write here value and just select the query, right, and just go to the execution plan, see lookup is not coming. Lookup will come when you simply add the ID column here. Correct. To fix this, what the fix is, just drop the index, recreate the index with the column on which the lookup is coming. Simply create the index. And now if you just select this query and just go to the execution plan, you won't see the lookup here. Correct? Perfect. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Let's hope you enjoyed RID lookup thing, and really it's very important thing for performance tuning. This RID lookup you would see most of the time. So if you see this one, just add those column in the index key and just fix it. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you like or enjoyed the video. Have a great day ahead.